Today I'm going to show you how to disable the show content in this location setting on x.com, also known as Twitter. This is a quick privacy tweak that helps you control the content you see based on your region, and it only takes a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple social media guides. Let's jump right in. First, open x.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look over to the left navigation bar and click More. This opens up the extra menu options for your account. From there, click Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, select Privacy and Safety. This is where X keeps most of your account and content preferences. Next, click Location Information. Inside this section, you'll see options related to how X uses your location for content and personalization. Now click Explore Settings. This is the area where you can manage what appears in your Explore and trending content. Here, you'll find the setting labeled Show Content in this location. All you need to do is toggle that option off. Once it's disabled, X will stop showing content based on that specific location setting. And that's it. You've successfully turned off show content in this location on x.com. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.